Hi, today we are going to be making a Passover pillow. During Passover, we reflect on our freedom and how important it is to us. And during the Seder, we sit and recline. So today we are going to be making a Passover pillow from an old t-shirt. What you're going to need is an old t-shirt and a piece of cardboard. This just happens to be a piece of cardboard I have, but you can cut apart an Amazon box or anything. And you're going to insert it into the t-shirt. It may take a little bit of doing. Something like this. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways in which you can make a design and different techniques that you can use. I have this little template of a star, and what I want to do is first start off with crayons. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw my star with crayons. Sometimes working with fabric, it's kind of difficult because what happens is the fabric kind of moves, unlike paper, and it bunches. So if you're having problems with this, you could even take a couple of paper clips and kind of clip the edges down to kind of tighten it up. I'm going to go ahead and draw around my template with my crayon. Now I'm going to work in the center with crayon. So what I'm going to do now with this regular marker is I am going to take a paintbrush and some water, and what will happen with this is you will see it kind of just spreads almost like watercolor. You could also take a bottle of water, like a spray bottle, and go ahead and spray that. And so you see you have kind of a watercolor effect right here. Okay, we're going to do a final water spray on this to help our colors from our regular markers lead, and you will be able to tell and see which ones are Sharpies, the ones that are crayons. See, our orange here was the regular markers. We have some of the blue here that is regular marker. Over here you'll see the crayon. Over here you'll see some crayon. Around here you'll see some crayon. So this is our final drawing. When it dries, we'll show you the next step. Now that our design is dry, we're going to go ahead and get ready to do our pillow. So I have a ruler here. This ruler here is about 2 inches or so. But if your ruler is like a one that's 1 inch, what I suggest you do is just go ahead and make some drawings. I probably would do it about 2 inches apart. I'm gonna just take this. I'm gonna cut off my excess here. I'm going to go to the top part. Okay, we got it cut. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just take this and tie in a knot. After you get one side tied, I have some old stuffing that I took from a pillow, but you could use an old towel, you could use some t-shirts, really anything you have. Once you stuff your stuffing in, you're going to go ahead and continue to tie. So, this is our finished pillow. Enjoy, have fun, recline, relax, and think of your wonderful freedom. Bye for now.